Look at this pan. Look at that pan. Wow. Pakistan with a grand idea. Amazing. Look at the smiles, folks. That's sugar. Wow, that's syrup. Amazing. Amazing, right? Wonderful, wonderful. Goes into the sugar. Goes into the sugar, and there we have it. Jalebi being made fresh, and I was offered free taster of jalebi, free of charge to me. How wonderful! Wow, look at this. This is how it's done, folks. Look at the technique. Look at this. And it goes into the sugar syrup just over there. What's the name of this? Jalebi, yeah, thank you. Jalebis. They've been made with flour and then sugar, right? Thank you. Wow, jalebi. Wow, lovely. No, please, thank you. Thank you. The gentleman was offering to me. Wow, amazing. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And the gentleman just offered to me. What a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. Wow, amazing. Amazing, amazing. Jalebi. Soaked in sugar and syrup. It's absolutely wonderful. That's a gentleman's hand with a great attention to food and love of food. Was offered to me by this lovely and kind gentleman. Thank you so much. So warm, full hearts. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wonderful, wonderful people. Absolutely delightful. Delightful. Thank you. Absolutely delightful. Look at this. Peace. Absolute peace. Gentleness is incredible. Incredible. Incredible, folks. Absolutely incredible. Incredible.